to Train Real World. We are on this Trans-Pennine Express from York to Saltburn. I did my first journey, part of the journey from Derby to York in a Voyager. So yeah, on platform 11:39, we're just about to leave. We are going to be going on parts of the Tees Valley line. I think we've got Thirsk, Northallerton, Thornaby, Middlesbrough, Redcar Central, Saltburn. Yeah, just some nice little points. So yeah, Thirsk, Northallerton, Yarm, Thornaby, Middlesbrough. And then we'll just wait for the final couple to come up on the screen. Redcar Central and Saltburn. So I missed one out of there, or two. I think I missed two. Yarm and Middlesbrough. So yeah, heading out of York now. We've got the National Railway Museum just there.
Welcome to this Trans-Pennine Express service to Saltburn, calling at Thirsk, Northallerton, Yarm, Thornaby, Middlesbrough, Redcar Central and Saltburn. The next stop will be Thirsk.
See, I don't think I've been on a train to Saltburn before, so this is a first for myself. Maybe it's a first for you. So yeah, come along for this journey. Heading to the Seaside. To spend a couple of hours there for work and then coming back.
For your safety and security.
So there's been a storm over the past few days, so a lot of these fields that we're going past are flooded or waterlogged. The rivers are quite high. There's been a bit of flooding in Derbyshire and Nottinghamshire. Yeah, it's going well. It's the beginning of the year. I just thought this is my first trip of 2024. So the first train I went on was a Voyager, and the second is this, the 185. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Coming into Thirsk now. Oh, it's a bit wobbly going over the points to come off. So yeah, we've got the centre tracks for the fast trains coming through, but we've come off to Thirsk. So it looks like the station has got two outer platforms, with the centre being the fast trains going through. Just leaving Northallerton. We haven't really had any other Azumas go past, which is annoying. I saw a couple right at the beginning, but there's a bit of a gap. Of trains coming through. They're going to be like 15 minutes time, I think. So that's a little annoying, but we'll get there. Ooh, nice little place to store your trains at night there.
Trans-Pennine Express service to Saltburn, calling at Yarm, Thornaby, Middlesbrough, Redcar
just going in and out all the time like that.
The next stop will be Yarm.
And there goes the East Coast Main Line. So yeah, off we go. Yarm's the next stop. How weird. It's like the train has stopped, as in the engines have stopped and we're coasting. I've never heard this before. It's like it's not even ticking over. The aircon stopped and we're just coasting. Usually here they're, you know, oh, there you go, aircon's starting up again. That was weird. That was very weird. Never had that before. You kind of have it on the third rail, you know, when they go over points and there's no shoe, you know, for the third rail. There's no electricity going through, but I've not had it on a diesel where it's just like everything shut off and it's quiet as it coasts around to the station. Yeah, that was weird. Have you ever had that before? Does it usually happen on this route? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, the engine's just turned on. Yeah, we literally were coasting. Or at the very least, this carriage, which is the front car, was not on. Oh, I'm confused here. What is going on? Yeah, we're at Yarm now. So we're coming into Thornaby now. Too far till we get to Saltburn, but yeah, we are on the Tees Valley line. If I come back during the day, so it's not night time, the next video might be Saltburn to Darlington. I don't know yet. Depends how I feel, what train I'm going to catch, etc, etc. Depends how long I'm going to be in Saltburn. Quite a slow route. But we are at Middlesbrough. No announcement has been made. You know that we are approaching. Nope, nothing at all. There's an LNER station. I didn't know LNER trains came up to Middlesbrough, but apparently they do. So we were in Middlesbrough for quite a few minutes because we got in 2 minutes early. You know, to keep on time, 39, we left at 39 on the dot. Only a couple more stops now till we get to Saltburn. Football stadium. Something to blow bubbles with. Isn't that West Ham? I'm forever blowing bubbles. So here's Redcar with all the factories and stuff like that we've got on Tees Valley line. Yeah, not very nice weather outside. Not really going to the seaside, am I? Pipes, got loads of pipes there coming in, a lot of smoke or steam or whatever you want to call it in the background, but yeah, just a modern version of the game now. 2024 edition of Saltburn of Redcar Central. That was a station, wasn't it? I wonder what station that was. More like it. Look at this. And the lights as well, up high. Look at those old sheds there. Bit of gas. Only the first 4 of 6 cars will be on the platform at Redcar Central. And then it's on to Saltburn. Right, we're coming into Saltburn. So we're here. Nice. I've driven here before, but I've not got the train here before. Thankfully, my customer is just a couple of seconds a walk away from the station, literally, so that's really good for me. But no, we're here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. We'll say our final goodbyes when we go outside. What I do keep forgetting to talk about is my ticket price. So this was £100 return. It was cheaper if I kind of got set times, but I went for a full, you know, off-peak return, and it was 100 quid, so 50 quid each way. Not too bad, but could have been a bit cheaper, as I said. But anyway, let's get outside and say our goodbyes at the back of the train. So yeah. There we go, we're here. This train came all the way from Manchester Airport. Let's just put my bag on properly. Yeah, there we go, class 185, done. Thanks guys, see you on the next one. Bye.